It is a great satisfaction to greet you and I hope you find yourself well. In today's video we will talk about the following. Can you fall in love with your ex again? Let's find out now. Is it possible to fall in love again with a partner who hurt you or stopped being interesting? Sometimes, relationships end so abruptly that the heart is confused and does not stop feeling something special for the other, but sometimes, time passes and when you are in front of that person again or something comes up that reminds you of them, you feel a strange tingling in your stomach. You wonder, can the attraction resurface? It is not easy to end a relationship. For most, it is inevitable to feel doubts about whether or not it is the right decision. Uncertainty is part of the process. There are many emotions that go along with a breakup, and they are all totally valid. But once your partner becomes your ex, do those feelings you used to have for him or her just suddenly go away? According to experts, it's entirely possible to have feelings for an ex-partner again, and it happens more than you think. According to experts from a well-known dating platform, once you love someone, unless your respect for that person is destroyed, you can always love them again. Ultimately, this is the person who knows your hopes, dreams, and secrets, which makes it easier to reconnect. Surely you have had that friend or friend who is obsessed with her ex, even after the end of the relationship, or not? In a way, both you and your ex can hold a part of each other in your hearts. Although of course, this does not mean that they are not complete without each other, but if it was a love relationship, there can always be special feelings. What you should ask yourself if you think you still have feelings for your ex is if there is still more work to do together or if you can be happy sharing your time. On the contrary, you should also think about whether at this moment she feels fulfilled and satisfied with what you are doing and if you feel comfortable being on your own or meeting other people. Now, it is obvious that if your relationship was stormy and ended badly, falling in love with your ex is still possible, but it might not be the best idea. Don't let your emotions take control and go back to where they were. Never expect things to be like when you started dating that person and fell in love for the first time. We all change and grow with time and circumstances, and if someone is willing to fix the things that were wrong, if they can be fixed, then it is possible to give them another chance. If you know that being with that person is a mistake despite the attraction you may still feel, then don't even think about looking back. I'm glad to tell you that you don't have to wander in the dark, hoping to get lucky. Take advantage of our experience and recover the person you love. Click on the description of this video and now access the following personalized guide. Subscribe and comment. A pleasure and thank you.